He was like, the only thing that you can do is win so big that all of them constantly compare themselves to you, and then you'll forget they exist. I was 15 years old. This teacher is like an admin of some kind, walks out of his office and he's like, son, you work out? And I was like, no. He's like, why not? I was like, I don't know how. That teacher, Mr. Gibbons, ended up working out with me every day in high school and showed me how to work out. And I, during our workout sessions, would be like, this guy said this to me, like, blah, blah, blah. I was like, man, I'm going to come back at our 10-year reunion. And I was like, I'm going to show him. I was like, he's going to be working for me. He's like, no, he's not. And you're not going to do that. He's like, because if you come back at a 10-year reunion and say, hey, John, like everything I have, look at me now. He's like, the guy's going to laugh and be like, you did all of this to try and prove me wrong? Man, I feel sorry for you. And that's when he said, success is the only revenge.